Okay, we are asked to find the six trigonometric functions of theta when we know that cosine theta is 1/2 and sine theta is less than 0. And what do you mean by that? So, kung cosine, kabulutan nga ang cosine, well, cosine is just, ng cosine? Cosine theta is just adjacent over hypotenuse, right? So, if kung kabulutan nga ang cosine theta kay 1/2, meaning we could thought of, no, we could just let, well, the adjacent could be, well, it could be thought of the adjacent could be 1, and the hypotenuse could be, well, hypotenuse could be always positive ng hypotenuse, no? So 2, right? So sure jud ka nga ang adjacent imo kay 1. So in this case, this is your x, this is your hypotenuse. Okay? And ang atong kailangan nilang mahibaw-an is kung unsa ang y. Okay? Unsa man bali ang y? So if we draw that carefully, ahaman bali ang imuhang kuan karon, ahaman bali imuhang angle. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant. Okay? So let's have this. Pag ang cosine kay 1/2, meaning ang imuhang x kay positive. So x positive na daan. So duha na lang imong option, di ba? Plus man ni dire, positive ang x, dire kay positive ang x, negative ang y. Kanirang duha, either quadrant 1 or quadrant 4. Ningon man siya nga ang sine theta is sine theta is less than 0, meaning negative ang sine theta. So ang sine gani. Sine theta is just opposite over hypotenuse. In this case, opposite is the y. So meaning, negative. Kung saan naman negative, dapat imong opposite day kay negative, no? Imong y kay negative. So meaning, ang imong kuan is na-diri nga kuan, nasa sa quadrant 4. So bali, if you draw that, no? Kanyang imong ginadraw nga kuan bali, no? Bali imong angle diya. Dayon, ang imong x will be 1 adjacent. Imong hypotenuse is 2. Then let's just look kung unsa bali ning imong y diani. Okay? Okay, so this is 2, this is 1. Okay, okay. And this must be the opposite. Pila man na siya bali. So, if we try to use the right angle man na no? The Pythagorean theorem, the opposite squared, c squared is equal to, so ito, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So, we know that c is 2, so that's the hypotenuse, so that's 4. C squared, 2 squared is 4. A squared is simply 1. And B squared is what we're looking for. So, or that's the y here we're looking for. So, B clearly, no? Therefore, B is just square root of 3. But we take the what? Negative. Anong negative man? Ikabulo man ka, no? Naman siya diri sa kuan. So, square root of 3 ang iyang magnitude. Pero, kabulo ka negative kay naman siya sa fourth quadrant. Okay? Dili man din mo gidraw ang imong kuan kay. Ang sign man gud kay negative less than 0 daw, so dapat ang imong y kay negative. So now we are finished with our analysis, and this must be square root of negative daan. Okay? And simply lang dayo, no? If we have sine theta, opposite over kuan lang dayo, no? Opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is, that's the y. Negative square root of 3. Hypotenuse is 2. So we have that. Cosine, sine, then we have tangent. Tangent theta is just opposite over adjacent. Opposite is what? Well, opposite is y, so that's negative square root of 3. Adjacent is 1. So that's negative square root of 3 lang, no? If we have the reciprocal of cosine, sine, reciprocal of sine kay cosecant theta, this will just be negative 2 over square root of 3. No? Reciprocal lang ana niya. But we don't want to have the square root of 3 in the denominator. So we simply make this into 2 square root of 3 over 3. That's the negative. Tangent, reciprocal po sa tangent, which is cotangent. Right, cotangent, that's simply, well, 1 over square root of 3. I'll put the negative at the top. So removing the square root of 3 in the bottom, it will become square root of 3 over 3. Negative, no? By multiplying it by square root of 3. And for cosine, it will be secant. Secant theta will then just be, well, reciprocal sa 1/2, that's 2 over 1. Okay, or simply 2. And that's it. That's how you look for the 6 trigonometric functions. Thank you.